Hi, welcome to my super wood burning tutorial. I'm Belle. Here's a new wood burning project that I'd like to share with you. An easy one that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Materials that you will need for this project will include wood burning pen. The wood I will be working on here is the basswood country round, which are crosscuts from the log of a tree. These are available from craft stores or from building supply stores. If no crosscuts are available, use birch wood or square basswood. You will also need some tracing paper on which to copy the design, plus a sheet of graphite or carbon paper to transfer the design. Some masking tape is also useful to secure the tracing paper and the graphite paper onto your piece of wood. You may wish to seal your wood-burned art with a thin coat of diamond finish clear matte varnish. I've just come back from a visit to Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm inspired to create a wood-burned picture of the beautiful sunsets that I have seen there. I made me a small painting of the Phoenix sunset, and here is the picture of what I had wanted to wood burn into this oval-shaped country basswood. I saw a lot of cactus like these. Almost all of them were bigger than life, and I was told that before they can grow arms, they would have to be 100 years old first. I thought that was something interesting. Phoenix has wide open spaces, and the sky looked so vast and brilliant. I'm quite excited to do this design. It's a nice reminder of my visit to Arizona. So I hope you stay with me during this artistic journey as together we see how this design develops from beginning to finish. I've prepared the tracing paper that has our image. So now I'm transferring my design onto this piece of wood using graphite paper. Center it and apply some tape to secure the design outline to the basswood. With a sharp pencil or ballpoint pen, draw the design onto the basswood. There, I think I'm ready to take out the tracing paper and see if my design transferred well on my wood. That looks nice. This cactus will have lines that go this way straight up, and I will use my wood-burning pen to create these lines as well. I will do the same to the rest of the cactus. Alright, everything's ready, and I'm ready to wood burn now. This time, I'm going to try working with this walnut hollow wood burning value tool. I've never tried this value tool model before. Walnut Hollow has several versions of wood burning tool. This value tool is simpler and is a less costly model for wood burning. I am attaching the cone-shaped point. After 4 or 5 minutes, the burning pen is ready. It's very hot, so now we can start wood burning. Let's work on the cactus. Because of many straight lines in my cactus design, it's good to use the cone-shaped point. I very carefully work on the edge of the cactus, burning the outline first. This nib or point can burn fine lines as well as curves and dots. As you move with your burning pan, you will get to know how to handle the pen and understand how it works on the wood. This is a very easy project. I intend to color it later after I've done all the wood burning. I'm going to try this different nib now, the shading point, to see how well it can burn fine lines for the cactus. Now that it's nice and tight, I turn it on again Wait for it to heat up, and then we can continue doing more lines using the shading point. Use just the edge of the tool to create some lines along the cactus plants. It's great when you're going along the grain. It's like cutting into butter. The lines of the cactus are not smooth. They look jagged. So when I do these stippled techniques on these cacti, they actually look very much like the real thing. Now after doing the rest of the cactus, I put some shading on the foreground of this picture and will let the colors do the rest. Now I'm ready to give color to this design. Let's use warm colors. I'd like to bring out the spectrum of colors as shown in this picture. Over the last few years, I've been doing an online course in Udemy.com, and I'd like to introduce you to it. After wood burning this desert design, learn how to use color on it. This is how the final product will look like. I'll show you exactly how to achieve this in my Udemy.com link right here. This is your chance to try out a simple wood burning project that you can be proud of. Surprise yourself and amaze everyone with your creativity. Avail of my limited time discount coupons, which you can use to create this fun project that you can display up on your wall or share with family and friends. This Udemy course offers great wood burning and coloring techniques that will teach you how to create a stunning piece of artwork. The design is very manageable in its simplicity, yet when completed, you will see how this will turn into a vibrant and beautiful desert sunset. Wouldn't you like to give it a try? I know you will be pleased and be very proud of yourself. Just click on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and joining me in this tutorial. I wish you a great and fun time wood burning.